And hopefully we've got another Texan coming through. So I'm going to just walk down here a little bit. Try and get it from down here. Here it is. On its way to Mach Loop. Just thought I'd go a bit further down the hill so you could see where they go once they go through the valley. So they basically cut that. Didn't you notice that one wasn't quite over the trees like the first one was? That first one went over the trees behind me, and that one tended to go further down here. So they do vary it slightly in this valley, which is good to see. But still waiting for these jets to come. Hey pal, don't worry, I've not left you. Good lad. Right, so had a couple of Texans come through now. We've had the French come through. So hopefully, like I said, we can get some jets coming through, some F-35s. I was told we might get some F-35s, so I'm not sure. Fingers crossed. Bye for now.